Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to sync inventory between platforms using make.com. So to sync inventory across multiple platforms using make.com, you'll need to create a scenario that connects your different systems. For example, Shopify, Zoho Inventory, and QuickBooks. This involves setting up triggers in each platform to detect inventory changes and then use make.com's action to update corresponding inventory levels in other connected platforms. So step number 1, identify key operational tasks. Determine which platform needs to be synchronized and what inventory data needs to be shared between them. Number 2, choose the right apps and modules. Use make.com's app library to find the specific apps for your platform and choose modules. Identify the appropriate module with each app. For example, in Shopify, you might use the get products or update product modules. For Zoho Inventory, you might use the get items or update item quantity. So in designing your scenarios, these are the factors to consider: triggers, actions, data mapping, and error handling. That's it. Thanks for watching.